Hello, today I'm going to walk you through how to upload an MP4 file to YouTube and set it to unlisted. You want to make sure, first of all, that you know what account you're signed into. That way you know where your video is being saved. If you're doing this for a Brandman assignment, you should probably be signed into your Brandman account. So if you click on the picture, the little icon in the top right-hand corner, you'll see what account you're currently signed into. If you're currently signed into your personal account, I would sign out and then sign back in using your @mail.brandman.edu account. So once you figure out what account you're in, you simply click up here, you go to upload video, and then you find the MP4 file on your computer. If it's somewhere handy like your desktop, you can always drag it in here. I have it here and I could drag it in, but I'm also going to show you how to do the other. So if you click right on the arrow, you can go to your files and find it. In this case, I have this here. I double click on it, and it'll upload my video. This one's a very short video I'm using as an example, but that's how you do it. You simply click on upload. Here on the right hand side where you see public, you want to click on that little down arrow and select unlisted. So public, people will be able to find your video doing a search. Unlisted means that they can only find your video if they have the URL, the link. So if you choose to share it with them, you choose to share that link, that's how they'll be able to find your video. If you set it to private, the only person that can access it will be you. So you want to stay away from that because then your instructor won't be able to see it when you submit your assignment. So in this case, you want to set it to unlisted. And if you have a playlist you want to add it to, you can do that also. If you don't have a playlist and it's just a standalone video, you can just leave it how it is. And then once it's all done, processing done, you can click on done here. And that's it. It'll give you your share URL. So if you copy this URL here, you can use your keyboard commands, or you can right click and click copy. You can then paste this into an email or into Blackboard, wherever it is that you're going to share it. And that's it. If you go to your videos, so if I go to my channel and I go check out my videos, I should see that video in there. So if I go to videos here, it should be, see, MSW course, so it'll be right there. So it's now listed under your videos, and you can go and grab the URL from there too. So if you click on it, you'll see that it's on your channel now, and you can go here to the share and access your URL that way. And you can, again, just right click and copy it, or click on copy. And that's it.